Iasaii started first. This is a really good live video from your Chuukese Iasaii right here. So first, no, that's a good music. 4.
Mom, you know I started?
Are you starting already?
Yeah, I told you. I said 1, 2.
Oh, you started already.
The bread?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Oh, you started already my live video?
I told you that's why I did the 1, 2.
OMG. I was playing. Okay, that's okay. Sorry, my apology. I thought my daughter has not turned on the live video. But Iasaii, welcome back to my Iasaii live Facebook live video. So tonight I'm not doing any bingo game or I'm not doing any YouTube video stuff. What I am doing is I'm gonna do my update on my raffle fundraising raffle ticket, which will be held on April 15th. Well, April 15th. So I just wanna update everybody. Excuse me. I like the music. Okay, my video crazy girl. Okay, so I'm trying to house calmly, so I usually house so excited. I'm gonna be calm and just. Do I look like myself?
No.
Really? I'm not.
Just talk on.
Can you see me on myself? Anyway. Well, as you are watching my live video at this moment or right now, I am coming on to you from you are watching my live crazy from my living room next to my sofa. So live video is coming on to you from your Iasaii, from her living room from Vancouver, Washington. And what I would call this is updating quarantine in my kitchen on my April 15th fundraising. So I got my book. I got my book here. I am still writing down Idebiko Medicine, Eriko with the raffle fundraising, April 15. Pangerike Vivedi Sikio comment on my post. You can Pangerike Vivedi Sikio over to feed my raffle ticket. Where Ubereki Safata to Erikiri. I wear raffle ticket, I play the one very well. Where through a boy could through. You are distracting me, Lehua. A boy could through. You are really distracting me. A boy could through. See how many times I said a boy could through. Renarampa. Well, okay. You would die. A pretty water, a cast of cool, a subject on a road lampa, gap with a car, cut ticket. We are up back everyone with a cut ticket. You're a good ticket, you would die a fort, while I can't tell it. I want to get pepper just for now. I'm going to use my coffee bar. That was real. You were playing at a book 4 times. Or 4 times you will draw your ticket so you can win the winner, round number 1. Round winner number 2, I have to draw your tickets twice. So remember, $5, one ticket, but in order for you to win first prize winner, I have to draw 4 times your ticket. Then winner number 2, I have to draw 2 times your ticket. You got that, right? Okay. So winner number 5, ira bue 500. Niwe bukuzara. Niwirin arampayo ira bue 500. Niwe kabat ikekere ngapole aitigeri. Ira bue. Ira fatuf. Me kabat so kari. Katon. Ira fat. Ira fat. Better roof. Uniform. Bad. Knee. 5. Move. And then kapat sorogan. Ieriat. It's a capte tirike, but bisek safa, but was a serious singing gave safa. But I'll cover it 350. This one. And then another one, same fabric but different colors. And then palira. Tiere euribe kutsara wori. That's it. Parike aike lace upopan mira. Rueveri wu sakun lace. I got this kind of lace. You guys can pick igayo rawineri or aparfreni. Right there. Zoom it. Or this kind of lace. Or this kind of lace, or that kind of lace, or that kind of lace, or yes, that's good. But open filiare we could rueveri wuzara. I mean rueveri wu yacht. Okay. Okay, that's still part of the winning number 1. Okay, udah sepekan. Saya para suka-sukren. Very sorry, so it's not a poor hulu. But it's a new now. Okay, this is done. This is still part of the winner number 1. Pakabatsoro. Still lace. I'll put it to very good. So I got a nice and then Pakabanso Kamatawe is the winner number 1. So yes, there's like 4 mataware plus the earrings. That's part of the number 1 winners. And then 2 pairs of earrings.
Ooh, my face. Ew. That was scary.
Winner number 1. Yeah? And that's Candy Prada perfume. I forgot to tag everybody on my live video.
You did.
Did I?
Mm-hmm.
And then funny photo by my so I don't know when we got already see it. It's I said to very clearly. Right here. But ikara winner number kapatsuro $500. You would write a ticket in order for you to win the $500. Kapats all the prices I just show you guys on my live video. Then you have to have 4 tickets. Iasaii boy draw your name so you can win that #1 prize. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the second prize. The prizes you're gonna win for the second winner. So this is just an update live video. So this one. This is for the second draw, winner #2. And then and then 4 mumus. This is like what do you call that? Pirak moo. This is like a pirak moo. 4 mumus. Okay, I feel this sore. So 4 motherware, 2 motherware, motherware there, and then 2 motherware, motherware good, and then your nagatatariats that comes along with it. So very nagatatariats. And laces again, 10 yards laces. 10 yards laces again. So this is an update. Yeah, it's an update to what I do a raffle. April 15 at 9 p.m. I'm gonna do the same thing, live it in my living room. You got to take a little ticket. You would try to buy more than 2 ticket. You can buy 20 tickets, 100 tickets, 200 tickets, 60 tickets, unlimited ticket you can buy to win the first prize. Winning prices as $500. All the prices I just showed you on my live video. So drawing for winner #1 4 times. To win #2 2 times you will draw the ticket. And this is an update. Coming back onto you again from your Chuukese Iasaii from my living room in Washington, Vancouver. Thank you very much. Kitty Sota Bush from your crazy Iasaii, Chuukese Iasaii, from your Facebook friends and my family. All my family, please support your sister, support your cousin, support your auntie, all my family members. Please. Thank you so much. Peace.